All right, this video right here is sponsored by Into the AM. You can use my discount code WAVY10 or link in the video description below and save. You can go check them out right now. They got the shirts, the joggers, the hoodies, the tees. You name it! All the above, word. And this weekend right here is definitely the best time to check them out if you've never been to the site. They got sales from 25 all the way to 70%. And you can get polo shirts like these as low as 14, let's say my math is bad, we'll just say 15 bucks plus my discount. Come on. So first up, the forest green polo right here, perfect for work. You can rock this casual or whatever, but yo, I love these joints for work. I think I got about a good 5 or 6. So once it gets warm, I'll be good. 3 buttons, Into the AM logo right here. Some comfortable shirts all the way down to the tees, word. My next one is the charcoal. Same polo like the forest green, just charcoal colorway. 3 buttons, white Into the AM logo. Very breathable. Perfect for the summer, or if you play golf or anything like that, I don't play it, you know what I'm saying? Definitely perfect for summer/warm weather. Definitely gonna get it popping come mid-June in New York. Word. So like I said, head on over there and check them out. 25 to 70% this weekend, plus my discount code WAVY10 or link in the video description below. Shout out to Into the AM, you already out.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment.
All the above.
All right, so yo, we about to hit up Takout. Jordan 4 cements just came out. Super duper hype. It's been a minute since these joints dropped. Trying not to get hit crossing the street, but yeah, shout out to Takout. You already, this is my go-to spot now. I'm definitely hyped that they're coming out. We're gonna go up in here, pick them up right quick, and I'm gonna show y'all what they got up in there. And we're gonna check out these sneaks. Word.
Money laundering while pondering on houses in Cali. Be models from the valley and take them to eat at rallies. Would think a nigga raised her, she keep calling me daddy. She keep calling me daily from different numbers. She had me for a while, now she want more off for these vain reasons. I came creeping, chain gleaming in the range chiefing. Slang speaking, she came over and came even. Sipping, drink, sleeping, we had an insane weekend. Gutter, only trust her cause I met her through a brother. Young wild motherfucker connected to him through colors. Used to send me pounds, won't even trip, he would front him. Let my young niggas catch it and he wouldn't even rush him. Hey, it's going down, cliche, I know it sounds, but you had to be there when that wave was thrown around. Escape the raid, it's safe to say I hold the crown. Now it feels like a parade when I float around. Aw man, trill nigga, I'm all in. In this dark land, I'm consistently ballin'. Fuck is y'all saying? Y'all playing, I'm all in. I'm armed in, dangerous, what's y'all plan? Nowhere to run. Anything the way your gun caught you where you at. Don't give a fuck where you from, nigga staring at me and I'm staring back. If you dare to clap, round of applause, I'm cheering back. Spectacular show, we should take this on the road. Everybody sees it, but not everybody knows. Hard to wrap your head around this type of life we sound alike. Maybe just our voices, but our choices prove I'm down tonight. They catch a body, probably sell a brick on Easter. Spent Christmas swiping fake visas, and you, I don't see me much. My ratchet bitches keep switching their hair colors in the mix with different niggas. I feel for her dear mother. Respect the jokes, this is where you take your chain off. Shave your cane dog while your apron hangs off. I was trained for money, fame, war, and I want it all. Until my name's called, all I see is colors. Pink roses for hoes chosen to sip red rose with soldiers in red posing. Blue skies, purple weed we smoke mostly. Purple drink we hold closely, it's so deep. So take the evil out the people who ain't acting right, cause both black and white is smoking crack tonight. Y'all don't feel me, even though you acting bright. I'ma make sure this is captioned right, so you can honor the moves while you follow the groove. Club nights, we piling up and dividing the tools. Impalas behind us following an honorable crew. Who will swallow they blood before they write what they view. True. You already know what I need, yeah. 8 kisses on your knees. Whenever you feeling down, sip a little bit of brown. Hit the green till it's hard for you to breathe. If you wanna feel like me, yeah, you could always hit the lane. Might be red, might be purple, might be pink. You could fuck again once you wake up from your sleep. Oh man. Colors, 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 colors. got a phone with 3,500 verses in it. Flow dirty like it got a lot of curses in it. I open surgery to body like a surgeon did it. Under 30 minutes, not under 30 minutes, but under 30 minutes. Soon as the verse is finished, they'll have to take you to a chapel. He won't get the liberty for playing with the statue. Play me like a rat fool, I scrape your little rascal. Stock higher than Tesla, aiming at your apple. That's a snapple. This shit is factual, but you ain't in my class no more because I passed you. I would trash you, you little trash you. Put the garbage in the trash chute. Who wanna act cute? I got a bar for all you rap flukes. I was part of the hardest rap group. Out rap pool, this is grade A. Since the 8th grade, they been calling me a legend. We the same age. Until society is regular, I'm aiming at his head like I'm trying to get his temperature. Black cars riding like the senator. 10 of us. Not a sign of my competitors. I ain't regular, a god lyrically, etc. Hard as shit, I need an enema. Register, I'm beyond raw. You better calm yours. I'm on another level. You on the wrong floor. I don't see the rookies, I don't spot the flunkies. I just keep it hoodie and no kind of funky. I on LA trying to look like I am not a junkie. With them bags of cookies like I got the munchies. I don't know why you would hate on me at all for. I want all my sons to make it. I'm LeVar Ball, you all talk, all your shit corny. You a cornball and you ain't rich enough to be ballin'. You a poor sport or I'm flexing in the Oricon. No award couldn't question what I do to songs. I only click with the realest. Y'all be super drawn just to take a picture with niggas. But get your groupie on. I'm about to go and spin a Skrilla on these Louboutins. You iceberg head ass nigga, get your goofy on. Hurry up and make your point. You done? Copy. I'm with this famous joint trying to duck the paparazzi. Damn. They like, tell me on some real shit. How the hell you out here getting better and you still sick, still lit? Had punches
I married your mother in these. When I married your mother, you wasn't even born. I married your mother in these.
But on some real shit, I don't even got nobody left to keep it real.
Yeah. Shout out to Takeout again for the assist. Definitely appreciate it. Super hyped that I got these. I did hear rumors about that there was 300,000 pairs out there. So I kind of thought for a split second, like maybe these joints won't sell out like that, enabling me to be able to get 2 pairs, but that ain't really happened, but I ain't really tripping. I do want another pair though. I'm not even gonna hold you. I definitely want another pair of these joints. Definitely clean as hell. I'm not gonna say like the quality, like the leather is like, you know, Venetian or anything like that. You just got a GR Jordan 4 cement. That's it. But no, what I love about these joints is the sole. The sole, everything screams Nintendo era. Word up. I definitely didn't have these when I was younger. Yeah, my parents wouldn't give me these. You know, I don't even think I knew anything about these. But yo, these joints is, like I say, I definitely do want another pair because then I'd be more inclined to rock them. Or I might just send my other pair back to get them fixed. I always have an issue with the wings when I go on vacation and stuff like that. You know, like, what are you gonna do? But no, definitely do love this pair. I'm glad that they stay true with the Nike Air on the back. Let me know, did y'all cop or did y'all say, forget that? I would've got a little wave a pair, but he's not at that age right now that he's able to keep these joints clean. I'd be like, oh no, you know, but I'm still thinking about the Baby Wave. Baby Wave might get a pair, but he's still good because he gets the hand-me-downs. And like I said, if anybody knows where I can get another pair at retail,
hook me up. Hook me up.
Holla at me, you know what I'm saying? Like, definitely holla at me. Next week, I've already hit budget, you know what I'm saying? And I just came back from DR. But no. Let me know what y'all think about these joints. I got some flicks for y'all and everything like that. But yeah, I'm definitely happy. I definitely do wish that I could have got another pair from, you know, that other spot with the no tax for the Lowski, but it's what it is. But yo, let me know. Y'all cop? What y'all think? Anyway, man, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Coming up next, I got DR vlogs. Orchard Beach is about to be open back up. So, yo, I know I've been slacking from April to now, but...
You know what I'm saying? Your niggas back, man. All right?
Yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be... But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. I already noticed my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
Ouch.